Bill Goudy checking in. Dick Bartley's on. It's time. I have earned this one. This is a vessel of amber fluid. And I want to thank Crawdaddy Forge. Yeah, this is just an awesome neck knife, bottle opener, striker. Oh. I'll tell you what, it's been a long week. It sure has. Wow. Is that good? Oh man. I want to shout out TB Rentals, a long-time subscriber, follower, commenter, excellent YouTuber. Made his first 2 videos. He's got 7 subscribers. You know, I did this for Andrew. Shout out Andrew, ZEDU, and some numbers. I want you guys to do the same thing for TB Rentals. He's got a solar system, a solar power system. You just got to check out. It's on the second video, and I highly recommend it. I really do. Get over there and check it out. Well, I'm thanking people. Thank you, TSP. That's Triumph Screen Printing. He made these shirts for me. Check him out. His link is down below. I had some questions about my heaters. How to make them. Yeah. And let's see. Randy J talked about not being able to get over 212 degrees. He was only getting 150 or 115. I can't remember what he said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There'll be 3 more bottles in this one. This is a little bigger pot holder. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale 40% off, and it was a bigger one. And yeah, I think it'll generate a little more heat. That's the idea. Well, let's give this a try, shall we? Look at that old ice pick, will you? You just take the lid, put the ice pick right in there, and just do that. That's all it takes. Poke a hole. I leave that in there because a lot of times I use that to pinch. I'll take some pliers and pinch. This is wick. We've got this at Hobby Lobby too. I think it was I don't know, less than $2 for, I think there's 18 foot of wick. And I leave a generous portion of wick, something about like that. I eyeball it. That's just how simple it is. You just pull that wick, put that wick through there. Pour your kerosene or your lantern fluid or your clean heat, whatever you want to use in there. I mean, that's just how easy it is. You know, light it, put it back in the rack. This was on sale at Menards, $9. This was $6. I don't know, $6.40 I think. These were, well, I don't know, $1.67 at Walmart each for the bottle of wine, with wine in it. Now that's going to fit right over the top of that. This is stainless steel, and so rather than have that tin bucket on, I thought, well, I'd try the stainless steel and see how that works. I got to make that mount on there. I haven't decided how I'm going to do that yet. I've taken this small screwdriver and I've worked the wicks back down a little bit to adjust the flames so they're all pretty much the same. This one just a little bit big. Yeah. I don't know if that'll burn down or not. That looks pretty good. Let's put the cap on and see, let it burn out a little bit. It sits on there just like that. That's just how easy that is. If I want to move this, I just got to pick it up by the base. Yeah, and I got to be careful. That top part's going to get hot. That'll be a potential. But I can feel the heat coming out of there. I sure can. That looks nice. I'm sure it'll be a little bit for it to burn off all the labels and all the glue and that kind. I can see a little bit of smoke coming out of there right now. Look at that! This one has 5 bottles. This one has 8. This one has the metal basket. This one has the stainless steel colander. I am amazed. Let me see if I can turn the light on. This one doesn't have any holes in the top. It has just solid. This one does have the holes in the top. But amazingly, I got my heat gun out. I think Randy J suggested that he could only get a candle up to 115 degrees. Let's see if we can. 160, 157. Let's see. There's 176 degrees, depending on where I'm at. If I'm on a hole or if I'm on the stainless steel. Let's see. There we go. So there's a variety of temperatures up there. Look at this. 200. I can cook on that. Yeah, 282. Yeah, it's hot. Now, if we take the temperature down here, (69 degrees). Let's see what it is over here. 64 degrees. Now I'm going to be on that basket's 97 degrees, and as we go up it gets hotter and hotter, but as you go down it gets colder and colder. I may cut a circular and place a pan or place a stop on that to build the heat up like this one does. This gets really nice and hot. And I'm surprised. I thought I'd have more, generate more heat with the extra bottles out of that. That's a bigger set. But I got 2 of them now, and I'm still in the testing phase. And I got the colander on sale at Menards for $9. I got the wire basket, which is a pot holder. I got it at the Hobby Lobby, and it was on sale for $6. So, you know what, 15 bucks? And then the glass bottles, you can get those glass bottles at Walmart for $1.67, and they got a sample of wine in them. So, hey, I got the clean heat. That clean heat was about $11 for a gallon of it at Walmart. Now, somebody else said that they got them at Home Depot, and I think you can buy it in a 5-gallon container, and it might even be cheaper than that. But it doesn't. I got my carbon monoxide tester. It's reading 0, so it's working. Now I got my electric heat. It's blowing and cold. Oh, it's so cold outside. But I got both heat sources going right now, and I tell you what, it's toasty. I got 62 degrees in here right now, and it says it's 27 outside. But that wind chill, there's a north, I don't know if it's a north, right out of the north. It might be northwest. But there's a wind, and I am telling you, it is bone chilling. And it's supposed to drop again, even more. Alright. I thought I had it all figured out. I thought I heard some noises. And I thought it was an aircraft when I first heard it. And then I thought, well, I had the raccoons get into the, well, I thought it was raccoons, get into my fish cleaning station. Well, now other people have got me thinking. And I got my trail cams. And I'm telling you, I don't know. The verdict is out. You're just going to have to check it out yourself and see what you think. I think it was somebody, Dexter or somebody, saw some things in the photos and wants me to look further. I'm going to check it out. Well, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to take some time and look at my trail cam pictures closer. There may be something else there that I just skimmed them. I didn't really delve into them like you guys. I was just taking it at its face value, I guess. I need to look further. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.